Hello, friends, welcome to Factspedia. In today's world, we all have our life partners and we love them very much. And there is always a story made by our fate, and we don't even know what destiny is going to be. Everyone's love story is special, even the one who doesn't get love and end up alone, even made the everlasting love story which always become memorable. Some stories get well and become a happy ending, and some are fade to death. Some are separated by the faith, and some just came into each other's life for a reason to show them direction of their life. Everyone's love story has a motive in their life. So today in this video, we are going to tell you top 5 love stories of all time which will fill your heart with joy, sorrow, happiness, hope and grief. These stories are world known, and if anyone listen to these stories, they will never forget them. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting the video, I would recommend you to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us. So let's get started. Our first story is Romeo and Juliet. This is one of the most loving and heartbreaking tale of Shakespeare, and it shows both the good and right side of human longing. Well, we know that the ending is very sad and crushed our heart. But this is sad truth about this world. Some people take too serious to their religion and caste, and the outcome is faced by the two innocent lovers who are deeply in love, but they love truly and hence accepted their death together instead of separating from each other. Our second story is Wuthering Heights. This story shows the connection between love and pain. Its writer Emily Bronte is a lady which is full of heartbreaks and many twisters in her life. As it is her one and only novel and is absolutely a great love story of all time. This story revolves around two lovers. One is Heathcliff and the other is Cathy. They both love each other deeply, but their snobbery get in their way of passion and things get complicated and everything ends bitter, twisted and heartbroken. But whatever has happened, their love never dies. Our third story is Pride and Prejudice. It can be deceptively a comedic tale and is a masterclass in sociality. It also involves snobbery. It is an excellent good old-fashioned story. The most striking up is between Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy, whose relationship is developed along with the standard lines of mutual attraction. Then there occurs a large misunderstanding that leads to a more coldness and eventually happily ever after union. Our fourth story is The Thorn Birds. This is an epic tale of ambitious Roman Catholic priest Ralph, whose love is forbidden for one of his parishioners, Maggie. And then there occurs a most spine-tilling moments in literature when the two eventually kiss. But sadly, the story has no happy ending, and this story shows that love stories always don't go on how we want them to be. This story is really great and excellent, but its readability, grand scope and atmospheric antipodean setting. Our last but not the least, fifth story is 500 Days of Summer. This is my favorite love story of all time, and this story is not a love story actually, but a story about love. As we see, Tom Henson meets Summer and fell in love with her, but Summer warned him as they are just spending time with each other as they like them. But one day when Summer kissed and hugged Henson, he thought that he has found his partner for life. But Summer realized that Tom is not the one made for her, and then one day Tom saw her married and asked her, why she married as Summer, never wants to get married. Then she said, I realized one day that you are not the one, but I'm happy that I spend my best 500 days with you, Tom. After this, Tom understands that there is nothing like love, and both of them get their mindsets changed. As Summer, who don't believes in fate, gets married by fate, and Tom, who always believed in love, faced the reality of love. As love is nothing, everything is coincidence. Our sixth story is External Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. This is a very heartbreaking love story which makes everyone cry. It follows the story of a man and woman who meet up in a train and started to fall in love with each other. But after some time, they had a fight and their relationship stops working out. And then one day, they decide to go to a company who removes the memories from the brain by using a technique. But it was illegal. Both the men and women signed and started removing their memories they had spent the time with them. But accidentally, they come to a memory of them which was very close to them and realizes that they still love each other, but now that was too late. They both now have to find an escape from this memory erasing treatment, but they failed. And later, they are again strangers and met on the same train as they met before, which was the coincidence, and started again their life as the same when they first met. This is kind of loop for love story, but it shows the deepest connection of love with memories and the person we love. We cannot forget them and always memorize them with their best memories. This story is really a masterpiece and a lesson for those who think that it is an easy job for moving on from love and removing their memories. Stay with us for more stories like this. Thank you. Bye bye.